All right, so I'm at Total Motor Werkes right here. We got Sierra, we got Yusik.
Hello.
There's always some cool cars here. We got some old Mercedes in a BMW shop. It's quite normal. I got a surprise. I got a surprise for the team. Let's just say I got some Kreme-os. Now, the Portuguese guys, we like to make up words, hence Kreme-os. They have no clue what that means, but we're gonna see if they know. Okay, hey, no peeking. Oh, that's it?
Well,
aren't you guys excited?
I'm super excited.
Listen,
but
he cannot get in trouble. His wife Karen would kill me if she knew I got Kreme-os, but she's gonna watch the video anyway, so you're in trouble.
No, it's okay. I'm fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
you gotta open it up.
Krispy Kreme. Oh.
I thought you might like the sprinkle ones.
Yeah.
Sprinkly kind of guy.
Yeah, maybe. But I also like the original ones.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
They melt in your mouth.
So before we get started working today again, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We got Yusik, we got Sierra, and we got myself, Mr. Alex Ray. It's gonna be a really, really fun day. If you're new here, subscribe. It really helps me out. And like the video. But we got a really cool day today. Yusik has done some work on the BMW. It's kind of disassembled, but we got a lot of cool things today, right? Sparks. Is that the hint we're gonna give them? Sparks?
There's gonna be some sparks, yeah.
Sparks. All right. Well, we are gonna chow down right now, and we'll catch you guys later.
It before him, and then his grandfather had it before him. It's a 280.
280 SL?
Yeah.
You have to check this out. Like, look inside the interior cabin, and you see the beautiful original wood center console. Like, it is ancient. So Sierra over here has the, I guess, replacement wood cover. Like, look at this. Wow, very nice. Guys, a car just arrived. It is so freaking sick. Oh. E91 323i.
Yeah, so this sits pretty much flush against the bumper here. Like when I measured it with your skin, the bumper skin on before the cover, I think there's like about a millimeter space between the two. It sits so close that when I first took the bumper off, the dust over the years left like a hexagonal pattern all over your bumper. I don't know.
Oh, really, eh?
I don't know if you can still see some of it, but I think it got wiped off. Yeah, but it was pretty funny. So that's how I know like it's pretty close.
Yeah.
And then so we're gonna find the center line of this. And the funny thing with the light is it like more or less fits like right into this.
Yeah, let's see that.
Like
it's practically perfect.
Yeah, almost perfect. Wow. So right now Sierra is making a little template.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna fit the light in that cardboard. If it works well, then we're gonna transfer that over here. Throw the light in, like we're gonna cut this grill, because we want that light to be flush with the grill, right?
Right.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna use your bumper as the bracket to hold the third brake light. Cool. Yeah, and then I'm gonna box it in as well. So whatever I cut out, like, it's not just gonna be a hole that's exposed, I'm gonna box it all in so then it's still strong.
Got it.
Yeah.
Much later.
Now I'm gonna figure out where the best place to run the wiring for the third brake light is.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna share this grommet here for your park distance sensor.
Stop saying that word. Sierra gave me the look.
Well, what else do you call this? Rubber sheathing? Look. What do you think this is called?
Grommet vomit.
What do you think that's called?
We're gonna call it a rubber clip.
A rubber clip.
A rubber insert. A rubber insert.
Insert for what? It looks to me like it's a grommet. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this off because we're gonna tape it along with that. So I'm gonna undo the tape on there.
Okay.
So then this wire goes through.
Yes.
And once it's in there, then it's gonna share. I'm gonna put the power wire on the battery side, and then the negative will run to the front of the car in your center console, where we're gonna run a toggle switch.
Okay.
For your light. And then I'm just looking here. I think we can share these clips that the original's on.
Yeah.
And then once we get closer, I think we can use these metal clips on the actual bumper.
Got it.
And then this is actually what I'm going to do is probably run it through the back here like this.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so it comes out and boom into your light.
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's gonna look great.
I think so.
You think?
I know. I know so. Gonna jerry-rig this, then do this.
Hold on. Let me zoom in.
Zoom into what?
The U. Oh no way! Woo-wee!
She's
Let
bright.
there be light.
She is bright.
That looks so freaking good.
We haven't cut this out yet though. I'm gonna cut it out, right?
Yeah, that is gonna look so sick. Wow. Sierra, what do you think? You like it?
Looks amazing.
Wow.
But yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Wow. So now we know it works.
Yeah, and then there's gonna be a fog light button.
Cool.
For the
so
rear.
I can pretty much throw that on whenever I want.
Yeah, on or off whenever you want. Yeah.
Cool. And
Yeah.
no flashing, just solid on.
Just
right?
solid on, yeah. Then we're gonna wire this, like I think we mentioned earlier, it's gonna get wired up through here and then through that grommet.
Yeah, my favorite word.
It looks like it's meant to be there.
Yeah, that was the whole purpose. You know, like seeing the Subaru STi sedan rear bumper shape, how it had a very similar curvature, how it had that similar. Where the heck did you put the mesh? The mesh, you know, it had the mesh as well. You know, the brain starts to think, okay, well, it's kind of similar. How can we recreate this into a BMW?
Right.
And that's essentially what we're going to do. So Usyk is going to be doing some sort of MacGyver work here to cut this out,
Yep.
make it look as though it was never there, and then that way this will go, in a sense, flush, so
Yeah.
that way it looks like it came that way. So, okay.
Beep, beep.
Knock it off, man. The light's going to go out. You keep doing that.
What happens if it's a brake light?
No.
Brake on, brake off, brake on, brake off. Brake on.
Wax on, wax off. Your daughters are going to watch this, and you're going to set a bad example.
No, I'm not.
you sure you're not?
They get donuts once in a while.
Okay, but you
Yeah.
might have to go home spontaneously one day with some Kreme-os.
That might have to happen.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.